Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am here in Dubai Mall. I know there's a war going on outside, but Dubai doesn't stop for anybody. It keeps on moving. I came for Iftar. I still have like 10 minutes to go. I am here in Mausam. The name of the restaurant is Mausam. It's an Indian restaurant. Yes, there's a lot happening right now, but people are still out chilling, having Iftar and just having a good time actually. Burj Khalifa is still standing tall. The table is being set right now. We have got the samosa, we have got the bhajia, the dates are here. These are kebabs. And yeah, and this is a mango drink. But yeah, this is the view that I'm having my iftar with. Honestly, the food is looking so delicious. This food is really good. This is my new favorite place. The food is so good. My new favorite place in Dubai. Time to try the samosa. Now this is a proper Indian samosa. So good. Now it's time for the main course, and take a look at this spread. So this is dal, this is sabzi vegetable, this is a chicken korma, some biryani rice, and this is lamb, spinach lamb. And there are some rotis, naans. Very nice. This is day 5 of the conflict, and everything to me seems very normal here in Dubai. Like, there are so many people out. People are having iftar, they are in the mall. Mall is still busy, not as busy as it used to be, but still, in no way, if you are out here, out in Dubai, you won't feel that this city was attacked. You won't feel like that at all. Take a look outside. Right now I'm on the Sheikh Zayed Road. And look at this. Definitely not that many people, but still there are people out. Alright, so what I'm doing outside? That's a good question. It's a fair question. In War, we are not supposed to go out. But anyways, so right now I am heading to IKEA. I will be moving into my apartment in about 2 or 3 days. So I need to get a bed and I need to get some other stuff like rug and all that. The iftar was really good at the restaurant. I had a great time. The food was really good. We had a bit of a problem with the takeaway because they said that they don't do takeaways for iftar menu, but it was not a buffet, it's a set menu. I didn't understand like why can't they do takeaway. So there was another table, they got a little bit pissed because they didn't eat much and they were asking them if they could just take one set menu and not two because they don't eat much. But the restaurant forced them. They said no, you are two, so you have to take two separate set menu. And so they did, but they could not finish it, of course. The restaurant did inform beforehand that you cannot take the food as a takeaway. So yeah, they got a little bit, the argument got heated up. So finally the restaurant agreed to give the food as a takeaway, and they did it for me as well because I didn't eat much either. I didn't touch the rice, I didn't touch the vegetable. I feel really bad, throwing the food away, untouched food. So I'm glad I have it as a takeaway. I'm gonna go home and heat it up and have it. Take a look at this mosque. It looks so different. I haven't seen it before. Okay, my friend just told me that it is not painted. They're throwing lights on the mosque. That is why it is looking like that. But I don't have my glasses on. So for me it was like, oh, it is painted. No, I'm not blind. I can see, but not very clearly. Filming is not allowed here in IKEA, so I cannot show you each and everything, but I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. This IKEA is really big, so I'm gonna be here for a while. I need to check for my work chair as well, work setup. I need a desk, a nice desk, a nice chair because I'm sitting for like the entire day and working on my laptop, so I need a really good chair for that. I don't want to break my back. I would love to have a table like this which goes up and down, but these are quite expensive. So this is 1,845 dirhams, not euros, which is close to 450, something like that, 450 euros. So it's a bit expensive, but honestly this changes so much, like having this where I don't have to sit for hours and hours. This is 1,950, this one. It is the same here. It is movable. This is another model, and this one is for 925 dirhams. And here you have this handle which you can use to put it up and down. Oh, but they're super slow. I love this chair though. This is 495 dirhams and it is very comfortable, very nice. I believe I can sit on this one for longer hours. The handle is a bit small for my taste, but not bad. You can put it up and down. It doesn't rotate. Do all of that. This one looks insane. But so is the price. I like this one, this bed. This is for 1,345 dirhams. It is coming with this headboard. You have spaces here to put your stuff, and it is coming with these drawers. You can put a lot of stuff here as it's a studio. I mean, this is gonna be really helpful to have a drawer. So there are drawers on both sides, and these racks to put, you know, some books and stuff like that here. And looks nice. It's white color, very simple, elegant, not bad. There's a size. Mattress, of course, is gonna be separate. So mattress is like 700 dirhams. This is the mattress. It's very cozy. All right, the bed is done. It costed me 2,200 dirhams for both the bed and the mattress and the drawer as well as the headboard. My work desk, I'm gonna have to check in some other places as well, because almost 2,000 dirham for the table, it's a bit much for me. So I'm gonna look somewhere else as well, and let's see what we can find. So that was long. It is almost 11 right now. IKEA always takes a lot of time. But any which ways, I am done with almost 60% of the things that I wanted to buy for the apartment. Tomorrow there will be the deep cleaning of the apartment from the owner's side, and after that I can bring the stuff there. So most probably we will go there in the afternoon or maybe late afternoon to see the place, how it is, and electricity and the water supply will be activated by tonight itself. It should have been activated by now. So yeah, everything will be done by tomorrow so that we can move there. Right now I'm gonna go maybe have a chai or something. So this is my day. This is how it went. This is what I did. By the way, war and all, yes, it is a tense time, but in day-to-day life, I am not at all realizing that this country is at war. All the services, all the facilities, everything is working. So that is pretty good.